Okra and okra water. I don't like it. The slimy feeling and it hurts my stomach. But some people swear by it, calling it nature's ultimate super drink, perfect for everything from weight loss to glowing skin. It's all over social media, and it seems like everyone has a friend or family member who's raving about how okra water changed their health. But here's the question no one's really asking. Is okra water really the miracle it claims to be? Or is there a dark side that no one talks about? Imagine thinking you're on the path to better health, only to find out that this so-called superfood might be causing unexpected side effects that could be doing you more harm than good. Today, I'm taking you beyond the hype, sharing research-backed truths that reveal both the benefits and the risks, things that could actually make or break your health. You might be surprised at what we uncover, so stick around till the end, because if you've ever been tempted by this trending drink, this is information you need to hear. Before we dive into the good, the bad, and the unexpected side effects, let's start with the basics. What exactly is okra water, and why has it suddenly become everyone's favorite health hack? And okra water is pretty much what it sounds like. You take fresh okra pods, cut them up, and let them soak in water overnight. By morning, you've got this slightly thick, nutrient-rich drink that people claim does wonders for the body. Some folks are turning it into smoothies. Others are making fancy versions like strawberry lemonade. The hype is real. But why the sudden popularity? Well, okra has been around for ages, used in traditional remedies across different cultures, such as West African and Southeast Asian cultures, for its supposed benefits for blood sugar, digestion, and even skin health. It's like this green gem that people are rediscovering, but we're here today to see if it really lives up to all the hype. The curiosity surrounding okra water is mostly because people are looking for natural, easy ways to improve their health without relying solely on medications. Okra, with its history and multiple uses, seems like a promising solution to many common health issues. Now, let's talk about the reasons why so many people are reaching for a glass of okra water in the morning. There are some pretty impressive health claims out there, and some are actually backed by science. So, here are the key benefits of okra water that everyone's buzzing about. Blood sugar control. If you're worried about your blood sugar levels, you might be interested to know that okra water is said to help regulate blood sugar. Some studies have shown that compounds in okra may help reduce the absorption of sugar in the gut, which is why okra water for diabetics has become such a hot topic. But remember, it's not a magic cure. Always consult with your doctor if you're thinking about changing up your diabetes management. Okra water can be a helpful addition, but it should be part of a broader, well-rounded approach to controlling blood sugar levels. Weight loss. Okra water. For weight loss is another big claim. The idea here is that the fiber in okra helps keep you feeling full longer, potentially reducing your overall calorie intake. Plus, it's super low in calories itself. If you're looking for a simple addition to your diet that might help with those weight loss goals, okra water could be worth a try. However, it's important to note that drinking okra water alone isn't going to lead to significant weight loss. It should be combined with other healthy lifestyle changes like regular exercise and a balanced diet. Skin health. Okra is packed with antioxidants, and that's where the okra water skin benefits come in. Antioxidants help fight off free radicals, which are those pesky molecules that damage our cells and accelerate aging. So if you've heard about people drinking okra water for glowing skin, it's because of these antioxidants. Drinking okra water regularly may help keep your skin looking younger and healthier, but remember, it's not a replacement for other good skincare practices like moisturizing and sun protection. Male and female benefits. Let's touch on okra water for men and okra water for women. For men, okra water is said to boost stamina and overall health. Some people even claim it helps in improving libido and overall vitality. For women, there are claims about okra water for wetness and hormonal balance, though these benefits are mostly anecdotal and need more research. While many people claim improvements, it's important to approach these claims with caution until further scientific studies provide more concrete evidence. Hair health. Lastly, a quick shout out to okra water hair benefits. Okra water is believed to moisturize and strengthen hair, thanks to its rich nutrient profile. It can be used both as a drink and as a rinse for your hair. The vitamins and minerals found in okra are said to help with shine, hydration, and overall hair health. If you struggle with dry or brittle hair, this might be an interesting, natural option to explore. So, there are definitely some benefits that make okra water look like a promising addition to your health routine. But before you go all in, let's look at the other side of the story. Now, just like anything else, okra water isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. There are some people who should be cautious. If you have certain allergies or a sensitive digestive system, drinking okra water might cause issues. For example, the high fiber content in okra could lead to digestive discomfort for some people, especially if your body isn't used to it. And let's not forget about the side effects of okra. While it may be rare, some people have reported experiencing issues like bloating, gas, and even diarrhea after consuming okra water. It's all about listening to your body. If it doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Moreover, people with certain health conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, might need to be extra cautious, as okra's fiber could exacerbate symptoms. Alright, so let's talk about the potential health hazards of okra water. I'm not saying you need to panic, but there are definitely a few things you should be aware of. Digestive concerns. We mentioned fiber earlier as a good thing, but too much of it can be bad news. If you're not used to a lot of fiber in your diet, okra water might give you some serious digestive issues, like bloating or diarrhea. If you have digestive problems already, it might be best to introduce okra water slowly and monitor how your body reacts. Kidney stones. Here's another one that's a bit surprising. Okra is high in oxalates, which could potentially contribute to kidney stone formation in people who are prone to them. If you've got a history of kidney stones, you might want to think twice before jumping on the okra water trend. Moderation is crucial, and consulting with a healthcare professional is always a good idea if you have any existing health concerns. Blood clotting. Okra contains a good amount of vitamin K, which plays a role in blood clotting. If you're on blood-thinning medications, this could be problematic. Again, moderation is key, and it's important to check with your doctor if you're on any kind of medication that could be impacted by changes in your vitamin K intake. These side effects aren't super common, but they're definitely something to keep in mind before you start adding okra water to your daily routine. Always remember that everyone's body is different. What works wonders for one person might not be right for another. Now, let's dive a little deeper into how okra water affects specific groups of people. Diabetics. We touched on okra water for diabetic benefits earlier, and yes, okra has some promising compounds that may help regulate blood sugar. However, relying solely on okra water without proper medical guidance is risky. Always work with your healthcare provider when it comes to managing conditions like diabetes. Okra water can be an excellent supplement, but make sure to check with your doctor. Men's and women's health. When it comes to okra water for men and okra water for women, it's all about those supposed reproductive health benefits. For men, the benefits are mostly related to stamina and energy, potentially improving overall vitality. For women, okra water is thought to aid in hormone balance and even improve vaginal health. But these claims still lack robust scientific backing, so take them with a grain of salt. It's always best to combine natural remedies like okra water with a healthy lifestyle and regular medical checkups. So let's quickly cover how to make this popular drink at home. All you need are a few okra pods, cut them up, soak them in water overnight, and you're good to go. Some people get creative and make okra water smoothies or even an okra water strawberry lemonade version. Adding a bit of lemon or ginger can enhance the flavor and provide extra health benefits. If you're trying it for the first time, start slow. See how your body reacts before making it a daily habit. And remember, it's not a substitute for a balanced diet or medical advice. Okra water should be part of an overall healthy lifestyle that includes a varied diet, regular exercise, and staying hydrated. So, what's the verdict? Is okra water a superfood or a health hazard? It has both benefits and risks. Okra water does have some fantastic health benefits, from blood sugar control to better skin and even weight loss. But it also comes with potential side effects that aren't talked about as often. If you're thinking of trying okra water, just remember to listen to your body and consult your doctor if you have any concerns. Like most things, moderation is key, and finding what works best for you is the most important thing. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's been curious about okra water. And don't forget to subscribe for more health truths, both the good and the not so good. Have you tried okra water before? Drop your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Did it work wonders for you, or were there some surprises along the way?